What's up guys? Magandang araw. Isang napakalungkot na pangyayari ang naganap sa araw na ito. Malaking pagsabog sa Lebanese capital, Beirut. Kumitil ng 70 katao at may 4,000 injuries ang natamo. Ayon sa isang health minister ng Lebanon. A large blast in the Lebanese capital, Beirut, has killed at least 70 people and injured more than 4,000 others. Officials are blaming highly explosive materials stored in a warehouse for 6 years. An investigation is underway to find the exact trigger for explosion. Lebanon's Supreme Defense Council said those responsible would face the maximum punishment possible. President Aoun declared a 3-day mourning period and said the government would release 100 billion era or $66 million of emergency funds.
You press me